Well, I finally must have made it big time on the internet because the little model engine manufacturers reached out to me and said, "Hey Chase, you want to review one of our engines if we send it to you?" And I said, "Sure." So here we are. So let's see if this thing's actually something good or a hot pile of garbage. So this particular engine is from EngineDIY.com. Had quite the little selection on there, but this is the one they decided to send me. And aside from the kind of fancy packaging, yeah, it's not what's on the outside, it's what's on the inside, as they say. So let's see what is on the inside. It is packaged very nicely for making a trip across the sea. It's going to get there in good shape. And yeah, it actually don't really look that bad. Pull start cord with it, and looks like the top for the hopper here. This looks like it's designed off of a ball top monitor. I think it's even what it says on the instructions here. That's an actual engine. I'll see if I can push the picture in the video here. It kind of looks like this, but this thing's actually kind of fancy. I'm actually surprised. Fuel tank air, spark plug air. You got your, looks like your intake, and your exhaust here on it. Timing gears and whatnot. Has really good compression. And I'm assuming this is the ignition since it has on and off on it. Yep. And looks like it takes a AA battery, so I need to find one of those and get some fuel for it. And we'll see how hard this thing is to fire up. Well, I got a battery in it here. Nice little Energizer. I got some Coleman Camp fuel for it. And I guess we're going to see if this thing will fire up. Alright, that's on. It's got a little pull start here on it. Just like pull start in a Briggs & Stratton. And here's your little mixer. We'll crank that open a little bit. It's on, and yeah, Bob's your uncle. That was anticlimactic. Try this again. Well, if you find this little model interesting, because I don't think it's a hot piece of garbage for as easy as it fired up, and it looks like it's put together pretty well. Check out my affiliate link that I'll have in the message or in the video message or whatever it is somewhere, and you can get yourself one of these. EngineDIY.com, and check the link to get this exact model. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cast Iron Curiosities. See you in the next video whenever I make one. Later.